Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all a very easy teriyaki chicken recipe. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. Okay guys, to start this recipe I have my pieces of chicken already cut up into small pieces. I'm using chicken thigh. I'm going to go in with a little bit of salt to season and some cornstarch. And we're going to mix the cornstarch into the chicken. Make sure it's coated really well. Once coated, let's move ahead onto the stove. So I'm using my wok for this, and if you don't have a wok, that's okay, just use a big frying pan. Go in with some oil. Next, go in with your chicken. Spread it out evenly. And we're going to allow this to cook until the chicken has a nice brown color. You want it? Okay guys, once your chicken is 3/4 of the way cooked, just take it out and place it into a bowl and set that aside. Okay, so put back your wok on your stove and add in a little bit of oil. Quick tip, if you guys wanted to fry the chicken in a separate pot so you don't have to dirty the wok and clean it after, feel free to do that. So to my oil, I'm going to go in with some minced garlic and some minced ginger, and we're going to allow this to get soft and fragrant in here. We're going to be making the sauce, so that's this step. Okay, once the garlic and the ginger is very fragrant, I'm going to go in with some light soy sauce or low sodium soy sauce. This is going to start to make the base for our sauce. To that, I'm going to go in with some rice wine vinegar, and you can find this at Massey stores or the Sincere store in San Fernando. I'm going in with some honey just to sweeten this, and feel free to add as much or as little honey or omit it if you like. And I'm also going in with a little bit of sesame oil for flavor. So once you've put in all of your sauces in here, we're going to bring this up to a simmer. We want this to start to reduce and let it get slightly sticky before adding in the chicken. Okay guys, so as you can see, this has started to thicken up, so the sauce is ready at this point. And that's as simple as it is to make the teriyaki sauce. So all I have to do now is add in my chicken that we cooked. So guys, what you're going to do is allow the sauce to thicken further. It's going to coat the chicken pieces and it's going to get really sticky. So guys, look at the nice beautiful caramel color the chicken has. That's the color that you want when you're making teriyaki chicken. If it is for some reason it's not getting dark, what you can do is add some dark soy sauce right on top of this and mix it in. It will be perfect. So all I have to do now is dish this out and finish up the dish. How amazing that color is. So to finish this, I'm sprinkling on some sliced scallions, just a little, and some sesame seeds. And these sesame seeds have been toasted. You don't have to toast it if you don't want to. And that's it. That's your teriyaki chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, comment down below and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.